Hello TruConnect customers. In this video we are going to show you how to sign up for a free Lifeline and EBB wireless plan with TruConnect. The first step is to go to our website, which is TruConnect.com. Once you've reached our website, you will see a description here of our application. You can go ahead and begin by entering your zip code and then an email. And then go ahead and click Enroll Now. This will bring you to our Lifeline application, which is part one of this process. In step one of this application, you will see a brief description of the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program. So by opting into this program, you will receive an additional 8 gigabytes of data each month for free on top of what you will receive with your Lifeline plan. So after you've read the important disclosures, you can click Yes, indicating that you have read the terms and want an additional 8 gigabytes for free. And then you can continue with your Lifeline application by providing your personal information such as your name, your last four of your social, your date of birth, and then creating a PIN and clicking this box to agree to send your information to us in order to qualify for the program. So once you've clicked Next, you'll be taken to step two. In step two, you will be asked how you want to qualify for Lifeline. As you can see here, we have SNAP, Medicaid, WIC. If you click here for more programs, you'll also see you can qualify using income, you can qualify through Section 8, and then there are several other programs listed here. Once you've selected the program that you would like to use to qualify, a plan will then pop up. You'll see we have our Lifeline Unlimited Talk, Text, and 6 gigabytes. As you scroll down, you will see that you can receive a free device from TruConnect with your Lifeline service, or you can purchase an upgraded device. Now, if you purchase an upgraded device, the billing information will pop down in this section, and then you can go ahead and enter your credit card information and click Next. Now, if you were just doing the free device, you would just click Next. Now, after clicking Next, you'll be taken to the Disclosures and Certification section. Make sure to read all of these statements, check them as you go through, indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions of the Lifeline program. As you scroll down, you'll see your name here. All you have to do is click this box to indicate that you're signing electronically, and then click Next. Now, after you've clicked Next, you'll be taken to step 4, which is where you will upload proof of eligibility for the Lifeline program. Here you can select the type of document that you plan on using in order to qualify. So we'll select Program Participation Document, and then you can upload your proof of eligibility here. You can use a SNAP card, an award letter, a benefit statement, or a screenshot through your online portal for that program. As you scroll down, you'll also be asked to upload proof of identification. So for this, you can use a government issued ID, either state or federal level, and then that must also have a photo on it. So after you've uploaded both pieces of information here, you can click Submit, and then after a brief period of time, you will receive a message stating that you have successfully applied for Lifeline. Here's your account number, and then you can call our customer care department at this number here. So here's your account number. But this is only part one of the Lifeline and EBB application. If you would like to receive the EBB benefit, then the next step is to click this link here to get that additional 8 gigabytes. So once you click this link, it'll take you to the EBB application, which will run through the National Verifier. The National Verifier is a federal program which verifies the eligibility of customers, so you will need to provide the same personal information in this application as you did in the first application, and then click that you agree to provide or share your information and click Next. Now, after you've clicked Next, you'll be taken to step 2, and you'll see there are some different programs here. To qualify for EBB, you can use a school, lunch, or breakfast program from your child or dependent. You can qualify through the federal Pell Grant. You can qualify through providing proof of substantial loss of income, or if you're in an existing low-income program or COVID-19 program, you can use that as well. So in addition to that, you can also use the federal level Lifeline programs to qualify. So if you used Medicaid for your Lifeline application, you can also use it for your EBB application. Same thing goes with SNAP, income requirements, Section 8, supplemental security income, and veterans pension or survivors pension program. So after you've selected your method of eligibility for the EBB program, you will see another plan pop up here. You can also use your own device if you have a tablet or a hotspot that you'd like to use. We'll send you a SIM card that you can insert into that device and use our service. Otherwise, you can receive a free hotspot from us, or you can purchase an upgraded device, which would be our Cloud Mobile Sunshine T1 Gray tablet. If you selected the upgraded device, you would pay in step 4 of the application once you've been verified by the National Verifier. For the sake of this application, we'll click the hotspot, and then once you click next, you'll be taken to step 3, which is the National Verifier verification process. So once you get to this part, you will see there's a link here which takes you to the National Verifier. It will open up in a separate window. You can complete that process and then come back here once you've been approved to complete your Lifeline and EBB application. So if we were to click Let's Go, it would take us to the National Verifier. As a customer, you would enter your name, your date of birth. You would select a method of identity verification, which we recommend using your social security number instead of having to upload your driver's license or government ID. Now, once you scroll down, you'll be asked to enter your home address and then whether or not you qualify through your own method of eligibility or through a child or dependent. Now, again, make sure that you enter the same information in this section that you did in the previous application. Once you're ready, you would click Next, and in the next step, you would be asked to create a National Verifier account. So you would create a username, password, and then once you log in, you will be taken to the National Verifier dashboard. So from this dashboard, you will see there is a Lifeline section and then an Emergency Broadband Benefits section. Since you already completed your Lifeline application with us, you do not need to complete the Lifeline section in National Verifier. What you would do is scroll down and get started under the Emergency Broadband Benefits program. So this section is going to be similar to your TruConnect application where you would select your method of eligibility, and then if you are asked to provide proof of eligibility, you would need to upload proof of eligibility and potentially proof of identity. Now, after you've uploaded that proof, you'll be asked to check disclosure agreements similar to how you did in the Lifeline application, and then National Verifier's auditors will review your application and then give you a status update and let you know whether or not you've qualified for the EBB program. Now, once you receive that qualifying message that says you qualified, you can come back to your TruConnect application and then click Continue to process your Lifeline and EBB application. Once your Lifeline and EBB applications are approved, TruConnect will link both accounts and ship your phone and hotspot or tablet to the address that you provided. Once it's received, make sure to make a call or use your mobile data to activate your free TruConnect Lifeline and EBB wireless plan. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to call TruConnect's customer care department at 1-800-430-0443 or by emailing customer care at customercare@truconnect.com.